Hi, welcome to an update on our new release of the Share What You Do suite. As I said earlier this week when I showed you my first unboxing, there were a couple. I ordered the wrong set, and I still find that I'm one item short, which is the embossing folder, which has a beautiful flower on it. But as I promised, I'm here to share with you the statement of the heart, the statement of my heart stamp that comes in the complete set, as well as the paper pack. Now the paper pack has a massive 48 sheets of DSP. This DSP is a specialty paper. You'll see why in a minute. Anyway, statement of my heart is a one single stamp. It's not going to be, from what I know, it's only available at the moment in the bundle. Anyway, it's one single stamp, and there it is. It's beautiful font, which matches with the other two stamp sets, the Make a Difference and the Love What You Do. So it follows on with the same fonts that are used in both of these. Okay, so that's the stamp, and that one's called Statement of My Heart. Now on to the paper. Now some people are going to love this paper and other people won't bother with it. The colours that are used are basic black, Blackberry Bliss, which is an old favourite of mine, Crumb Cake, Grapefruit Grove, one of our new ones, our old favourite Mint Macaron, another old favourite of Mossy Meadow, Old Olive, Pear Pizzazz, Petal Pink, Rich Razzleberry, So Saffron, another greeny blue, Tranquil Tide, as well as Whisper White. Okay, the reason I said some people will really love this and some people really won't want it, there's a lot of greens. As I just read out the names of the different colours that are used in this suite, you've got the Mint Macaron, the Mossy Meadow, which is a really dark green. Some people weren't over keen on it. Old Olive, Pear Pizzazz, and the Tranquil Tide has got a bluey green. So this suite is for anybody who loves the colour green, will love this suite. The people that aren't over keen on it, and yes, Val, I'm talking to you. Val's my mum, and anybody who knows her well knows she detests the colour green. She's a gardener, and she says she gets enough green in her garden, she doesn't need it in her house. So unless she's brought a bouquet of flowers into her house, there's nothing green in there. So we never buy any presents that have got green in them. Okay, on with the paper. As you can see, I'm hoping this is being picked up under the light, especially with this one here. These flowers are all shimmery. See that? That actually matches, because of our Pearl birthday this year, the 30th celebration of Stampin' Up. Remember, the doilies are now Pearl doilies. These papers, not all of them, but a large amount of them, have this pearlized effect on them. So you get 4 sheets of that, and it's double-sided. As you can see, it's got a fairly plain crumb cake background with basic black, like little chevrons. But yeah, that's the first two, or the first 4 papers. This one doesn't have any purling on it, but it's a beautiful, nice, busy, bright paper. You'll notice a lot of the colours here are the colours I used in that card I wasn't really over keen on. But I think this one looks quite nice. And I don't know whether you noticed, but remember I used this stamp here to colour in, watercolour the flowers? That's what's been done here. And I did that even before I got the papers. Wasn't that smart of me? Anyway, that's the reverse side. And I've just noticed these are all names of flowers that are in the background paper. I think that's Grapefruit Grove, a muted version of Grapefruit Grove in the back. But yeah, isn't that one pretty? As I said, 4 sheets of that one as well. Now this one is also pearlized, and this time it's the leaves and the flowers. See how that shimmers? Absolutely gorgeous. And on the back, you've got a really bright green that jumps out at you. And so that one's really pretty as well. Now if these slide back into the onto the screen, it's because I've got a stack of stamp sets here that I'm getting rid of. I'm going to be selling them off, and so I've just piled them all up on the side of the desk. Another pearlized. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at how the light catches that, even with the shadows coming through my window. Look at how shimmery that is. I'm trying to think of what colours that is. I think Grapefruit Grove. No, it's So Saffron, I think, with that one. Yeah, I'd say that one's So Saffron. Absolutely beautiful. And the back of it, all these different coloured dots, which is a really playful look. See that? Love it. Okay, rich raspberry and black. Depends on how you want to show that one. And on the back, more flowers, which I think it's a smaller version of the other one, but it's on the white background. Beautiful. I love that paper. It is very busy, but I think that'd make a nice background for any card or scrapbooking layout. Another one that's covered in our pearlizing. I love this. I hope they bring out some more pearlized paper. I think that is so pretty. Okay, and flip it over on the back. More green. So you've got Lost Lagoon in there, and I don't know what the other colours are. Mossy Meadow possibly, with the darker colour, because that's not actually black from what I can tell. But then again, my eyes aren't fantastic. So I'll pop that aside, and then we're back to the beginning again. I split these in half, so as you can see, you get 4 papers of each pattern, so you've got plenty of opportunities to use both sides. These are so stunning. I'm not over keen on green myself, but I do like these papers, and I love the effect, the pearlizing effect. I think, apart from the white background one, this one is my favourite because I'm partial to blues and teals, and I can see a lot of teal colour in that. Anyway, that was the remainder of the unboxing. So we have the paper and the statement of my heart, and please remember, if you get the full one, you also get an embossing folder which has got another floral embossing thing, embossing impression in it. It is really pretty. Okay, I will be back very shortly. I'm releasing 2 videos today. I've been really productive this week, but there'll be 2 videos today. There'll be this unboxing one, and I will be back very shortly with the card that I'm making today, and I'm going to be utilising my Love What You Do with these papers. So stay tuned. I'll be back shortly. Bye.